This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock, ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor.
Smart ways of managing personal finances during the pandemic. Albert Einstein had once said, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Most of the country is facing the difficulty of frequent lockdown due to COVID-19. However, this also gives us the opportunity to determine ways to manage your finance better, which could be useful even after the end of this pandemic. Here are some of smart ways of managing your finances during the pandemic. Build and adjust your budget for reduced income. If you don't have a budget, now is good time to put one together. If you are facing a significant reduction in income due to the COVID-19 pandemic, then track your expenses carefully and make an emergency budget. If you already have a budget, consider reviewing it to see if you can pare it down and reduce your expenses further. Take advantage of staying home for all this time and implement a non-spend challenges to help yourself save on discretionary expenses. A great model of your monthly budget is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income should go toward things that you need. Example, food, rent, education, EMIs, etc. 30% on things that you want. Example, restaurants, movies, non-food shopping, travel, etc. And 20% allocated to savings and safe investments. Stay safe and beware of scams. Unfortunately, even during a worldwide health emergency, scammers trying to take advantage of the situation. With so many individuals anxious about the state of their health and finances, many are susceptible frauds around COVID-19. Beware of any unsolicited emails, phone calls or other communications, especially ones that donators are sensitive information. Don't give out any of your personal information to unfamiliar individuals' businesses, and don't fall victim to text message schemes or that ask you to get your money by clicking on a link. Develop a frugal mindset. Develop a frugal mindset in all things and identify ways you can save money. Identify that credit cards, online payment services that give you the best cash backs or rewards and use them as a priority. Purchase non-branded clothes, accessories which tend to be of similar quality to the expensive brands. Shun debt like a disease. First, prepare to become redundant or underpaid. When no one producing goods or services, jobs are next on the line. Prepare mentally for a period of possible unemployment. Consider skills to acquire. Plan to keep cool and collected. Second, shun debt like a disease. Don't borrow even from friends and relatives. Don't use that credit card if you can. Pay in the full always if you do. Switch to the debit card until this crisis blows over. Make a mental list of assets you can liquidate. Make a mental list of assets you can liquidate if needed, even if it is at a losses and lower price. It could be your gold, the priority you want investment, your equity or fund holdings, or those works or art. Know what is the picking order of access if you need money. Don't worry, you can buy them all back when times are good. But you should know what you will give up. No, don't take loan against assets. Also, be willing to trade off some long term for the short term. You kept that money aside for retirement. But if you are faced with loss of income and have a asset, do that instead of borrowing or selling something cheap. Keep your eyes and ears open to new opportunities. Keep your eyes and ears open to new opportunities. Work and something in addition to what you are already doing. A crisis is a time to figure what is the newly needed in the changed environment and how you can plug your skills in. No one thought that delivery boys and warehouse operators will thrive in the online retail boom. Diversify your income. Decreasing expenses is part of a crisis budget, but also look for any way to increase your income. In addition to building your skills and consolidating your knowledge, think about how can you leverage those skills to start a side hustle, monetize your expertise and diversify your income sources. Giving online tuitions, conducting hobby classes or teaching a foreign language are some examples. There are many freelancers sites that you can access to help you with this. You just to take some of out and work on your supplementary income. The definition of normally is likely to change post the lockdown. Take this time to ensure that you prepare yourself financially for what the new normal will be.
Give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel